The standard is best interest for the child. Where would a child's best interest be served? It doesn't mean one spouse is better than the other spouse. It simply means right now, under all circumstances being considered, where the best interest of the child being served. Once that decision is made and both parties agree to it, you can get a court order done and it's over. Oftentimes they don't agree on what the best interests are, primarily because a lot of time the individual spouses are trying to pursue their own gain and their own agenda, and a lot of times it has nothing to do with the child. That's why divorces can be very difficult and very trying and taxing on all parties involved. But if you go through the court system, then you have to go through mandatory mediation, where you try to mediate this with the mediator and decide whether or not you can come up with a fair result on who gets the child and for how long and things of that nature. If that does not work, then you have to go to court and actually litigate it and fight it out. And a judge considers several factors in deciding who with the best interest of the child. How long has the child been living with its individual spouses? What school do they attend? How they're doing in school? Are they involved in extracurricular activities? The age of the child, the maturity of the child, behavior of the child. There's a lot of factors that a judge looks at to determine whether or not which spouse can basically foster the greatest environment to make sure that child turns out to be a great and productive citizen.